I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the vehicle safe. Disconnect the battery and wait 10 minutes so capacitors discharge, reducing shock risk. Next, remove trim panels carefully to expose the deployed module and associated wiring. Do not yank connectors. Once exposed, visually inspect the clock spring, harness, and inflator housing for damage. You must document connector positions and take photos for reassembly. This early work prevents installation errors and locates related faults before you order parts and proceed with repairs. Now remove the deployed airbag module. Unbolt per manufacturer torque specs and keep fasteners labeled to maintain orientation. Disconnect the harness at the base of the module and inspect for burnt pins. If any pin damage exists, replace the connector or harness. Replace the clock spring when it shows resistance or broken tabs because it controls SRS circuits. Install the new airbag module, reconnect harnesses, and route wires identically. This ensures circuits will align and prevents future faults in the restraint system. Finish by reconnecting the battery and using an OBDROMAN2 scanner to read and clear SRS trouble codes. This confirms the control module acknowledges the new components. Make sure the airbag indicator illuminates briefly, then goes out during the self-check. This proves proper circuit operation. If codes persist, turn off power and recheck connectors, pin continuity, and ground points. Many faults are simple contact or pin issues. If you cannot clear the fault, consult a certified technician rather than driving with a compromised restraint system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.